So what we're running into here is obstruction that's kind of stuck to the bottom of this. Probably only about 5 feet in on the floor drain here. So we can't really push past it because it's getting hung up. And you can see it's obstructing 50% approximately. So this is going to need to be descaled. This sewer line here coming out from the clean out in the floor. There's also another issue here. This cap here was like this when I started. You can see the main stack there is plugged with plastic bags. So there is a clean out cap on the floor over here, but it's definitely needs to have a screw-on type plug. This is a threaded inside, so definitely needs some corrections here.